Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. What if I told you that some of the foods sitting in your kitchen right now could actually help rebuild your teeth from the inside out? Not whiten them, not just clean them, rebuild them. Most people think that once a tooth starts breaking down, it is a one-way trip to the dentist's chair. And while that is true for cavities that have gone too far early-stage enamel damage, that is a different story, and science is proving it. In Dental Miracle Channel, where we break down exactly what is happening inside your mouth and what you can do about it, I am glad you are here. Today, we are going over 7 foods that science says can help regenerate and remineralize your teeth. We will look at why they work, what the research actually says, and how to use each one the right way. Let's get into it. Before we get into the foods, you need to understand one thing. Your teeth can remineralize. Remineralization is the natural process where minerals, mainly calcium and phosphate, are deposited back into weakened enamel. Your saliva does this every single day. The problem is, when demineralization from acids and bacteria outpaces remineralization, you get tooth decay. The goal of everything on this list is to tip the balance back in favor of remineralization. Now, can food regrow a cavity that is already a hole? No. But can food strengthen early enamel erosion and create the ideal environment? Absolutely, and we have the studies to prove it. All right, food number 1. If you needed an excuse to eat more cheese, here it is. Cheese is one of the most powerful remineralizing foods on the planet. First, it is loaded with calcium and phosphate, the exact minerals your enamel is made of. Second, and this is the fascinating part, cheese raises the pH in your mouth almost immediately, creating a less acidic environment. Third, cheese stimulates saliva production, and saliva is essentially your mouth's built-in tooth repair system. Practical tip: eat a small cube of aged cheese, cheddar, Parmesan, Gouda at the end of a meal. Not crackers, just cheese. Next up, food number 2, green tea. It has been studied for dental health extensively, and the results are genuinely impressive. The key compounds are catechins, like EGCG. These have been shown to inhibit the primary bacteria responsible for tooth decay. Green tea also reduces inflammation in the gums, which is critical because healthy gums literally hold your teeth in place. Practical tip: drink 1 or 2 cups of plain, unsweetened green tea daily. Do not add sugar. You will cancel out the benefits. Food number 3, fatty fish. This is a game changer because fatty fish is one of the best natural sources of vitamin D3. Without vitamin D, your body cannot absorb calcium properly. Vitamin D acts as the key that unlocks the door for calcium to reach your teeth. Practical tip: aim for fatty fish like sardines or salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Sardines are actually one of the most nutrient-dense options. Food number 4, leafy greens. Kale, in particular, is remarkably high in bioavailable calcium that your body absorbs well. Greens also provide nitrates, which promote the growth of beneficial oral bacteria, keeping your oral microbiome in balance. Food number 5, sesame seeds. These are an extraordinarily rich source of calcium. 1 tablespoon contains about 88 milligrams. When you chew them, their texture acts like a natural, gentle polish on teeth surfaces, helping scrub away plaque buildup physically. Food number 6, dairy, specifically plain, unsweetened yogurt. It provides probiotics that compete with decay-causing bacteria. Milk contains casein, which forms a protective film on enamel. This is why some dental products are now formulated with milk protein. Food number 7, shiitake mushrooms. These contain lentanoon, which has shown powerful antibacterial effects specifically against oral pathogens. Unlike most antibacterials, shiitake compounds appear to be selective, killing harmful bacteria without harming the beneficial ones. Your teeth are not static. They are living structures in a constant tug-of-war between breakdown and repair. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Dental Miracle for more science-backed information. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.